Good day, everyone. Learn how to give permission of display over apps. You can give permission to any app, whichever you want to display over apps, like the supreme permission. So here you can press and hold the app, and then we need to look for this exclamation sign, which is app details. So I can see before, just beside the uninstallation, the recycle bin, this is the exclamation mark, and we need to click on that. And then we need to scroll down, and you will find advanced display over other apps not allowed. And from here, you can turn on or you can turn it off display over other apps. So, this is how you can do that. You can also check other details. You can check the reminders, you can check the permissions, which all permissions are there. You can allow or not allow. All right, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.